Hello friends, welcome to online study. Today we are going to discuss about most important topic, that is database management system question and answers. This video is very helpful to those aspirants who are preparing for bank exams. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's enter into the questions. First one, a collection of interrelated records is called a. Options are: first one, database; second one, spreadsheet; third one, management information system; fourth one, text file. So the correct answer for this question is database. So a database is nothing but a collection of interrelated records. Next question. The method of file organization in which data records in a file are arranged in a specified order according to key field is known as. Your options are: first one, sequential access method; second one, queuing method; third one, predetermined method; fourth one, direct access method. So the correct answer is option 1, sequential access method. In sequential access method, file organization is in such a way that the data records in a file are arranged in a specified order. Your options are: first one DDL, second one DML, third one DCL, fourth one TCL. Correct option is TCL. So rollback comes under TCL. Next, the name of the location of a particular piece of data is its what? Options are: first one, memory name; second one, data location; third one, address; fourth one, storage site. So correct option is option number 3, address. So the name of the location of a particular piece of data is known as its address. Next question. Which provides total solutions to reduce data redundancy, inconsistency, dependence, and unauthorized access of data? Your options are: first one, tables; second one, DBMS; third one, production passwords; fourth one, none. Correct answer is DBMS. So a database management system provides data redundancy, inconsistency, dependence, and unauthorized access of data. Okay, next. What does the data dictionary identify? Options are: field formats, field names, field types, all of the above. So a data dictionary identifies all of these above: field formats, field names, as well as field types. Next, periodically adding, changing, and deleting file records is called. Options are: renewing, updating, upgrading, restructuring. Correct answer is updating. So updating is nothing but adding, changing, and deleting file records. Next question. Attributes can be defined for. Your options are: first one, pages; second one, macro; third one, switchboard; fourth one, entity. Attributes can be defined for. Options are: first one, pages; macro; switchboard; entity. So the correct answer is entity. So attributes can be defined for only entities. Okay. Next. What refers to a set of characters of a particular design? Options are: first one, calligraphy; second one, typeface; third one, stencil; fourth one, key face. So correct answer is Calligraphy. Calligraphy refers to a set of characters of a particular design. Okay. Next question. Computer manipulate data in many ways, and this manipulation is called, your options are, first one, file handling, second one, compiling, third one, batching, fourth one, processing. Correct answer is processing. So processing is nothing but manipulating data in many ways. This manipulation is nothing but processing. Next, a field is related group of dash. A field is a related group of what? Options are, first one, cables, second one, records, third one, characters, fourth one, files. Correct answer is characters. A field is nothing but related group of characters. So a related group of characters is called as a field in database management system. Okay. Next, a field that uniquely identifies which person, thing, or event the record describes is a dash. Your options are key, second one, field, third one, data, fourth one, file. So the correct answer is key. A key, nothing but it uniquely identifies whether it may be a person or it may be a thing or an event. Okay, that is called as a key. Next, a data dictionary doesn't provide information about, your options are, first one, where data is located, second one, how owns or is responsible for the data, third one, who owns or is responsible for the data, fourth one, the size of the disk storage. So the correct answer is the size of the disk storage. The first three options is provided by data dictionary, but the information such as size of disk storage is not provided by the data dictionary. Okay. Next, error which is diagnosed by compiler is called as, options are, first one, semantic error, second one, logical error, third one, syntax error, fourth one, none. So the correct answer is syntax error. A syntax error is recognized by compiler. Okay. Next, what is database? Your options are, first one, it is a collection of data arranged in rows. Second one, it is a collection of data arranged in rows and columns. Third one, it is a collection of data arranged in columns. Fourth one, all of the above. So what is a database? Everyone knows that, right? Correct answer is all of the above. Whether the data may be arranged in rows only or columns only or both in rows or columns, that is called as a database. Next, the logical data structure with a one-to-many relationship is called, options are, first one, tree, second one, chain, third one, network, fourth one, all of the above. Correct answer is tree relationship. Okay, one-to-many relationship is represented as a tree data structure. A tree data structure consists of one-to-many relationship. Next one, in a database, related fields are grouped to, your options are, first one, file, second one, bank, third one, data record, fourth one, menu. So the correct answer is data record. So a data record represents fields that are grouped, related fields that are grouped in a database. Next, which database handles full text data, image, audio, and video? Your options are, first one, transaction database, second one, multimedia database, Third one, graphics database. Fourth one, video on demand database. So correct answer is multimedia database. A multimedia database handles full text data, images, audio and video. Next question. In a relational model, relations are termed as, options are first one rows, second one tuples, third one attributes, fourth one tables. So correct answer is tables. Okay. In a relational model, relations are termed as tables. Next. Which of the following is a procedural language? Your options are first one, relational algebra, second one, query language, third one, tuple relational calculus, fourth one, domain relational calculus. So, what is the procedural language among these? Answer is relational algebra. A relational algebra is also called as procedural language. Next, which of the following types of tables constraints will prevent the entry of duplicate rows? Options are first one, foreign keys, second one, unique keys, third one, primary keys, fourth one, candidate keys. So the correct answer is primary keys. So primary keys prevent the entry of duplicate rows. Okay. Next, which of the following is or are the primary features of a database management system? Your options are first one, to provide an environment that is congenial to user. Second one, to store the information. Third one, to retrieve information. Fourth one, all of the above. So primary feature of database is all of the above. That means to provide an environment that is congenial to user, to store the information, to retrieve the information. All these features are provided by DBMS. Next, in an ER diagrams, ellipsis represents. ER means entity relationship diagrams. So the options are first one, attributes, second one, link between attributes and entity sets, third one, relation among entity set, fourth one, entity set. So ellipse represents attributes. In ER diagrams, ellipse represents attributes. Next, in a relational modes, a cardinality is termed as. Options are first one, number of constraints, second one, number of tables, third one, number of attributes. Options are first one, number of constraints, second one, number of tables, third one, number of attributes, fourth one, number of tuples. So cardinality is nothing but number of tuples. Number of tuples is called as cardinality. Next, which of the following is not a type of database? Your options are first one, transition, second one, network, third one, hierarchical, fourth one, relational. Correct answer is transition. Transition is not a type of database. Next, DBMS helps to achieve first one, data independency, second one, more redundancy, third one, centralized manner to control of data, fourth one, both 1 and 3. So correct answer is both 1 and 3. That means DBMS helps to achieve data independence and centralized manner to control the data. Next, the most commonly used operation in relational algebra for projecting a set of tuples from a relation is. Your options are first one, union, second one, select, third one, projection, fourth one, join. So correct answer is select. So select is used to retrieve information, actually to retrieve and to project information on the screen. Okay, so suppose we take an example like select star from student table, like that. It represents the total table on your screen. So select is the statement, select is the operation that represents the information, that means that project the set of tuples from a relation. Next, in ER diagram, relationship is represented by, options are first one diamond shape, second one rashid shaped, third one ellipse shaped, fourth one rectangle shaped. So correct answer is diamond shape. Diamond shape represents the relationship in ER diagrams. Okay. Next, what operation allows the combining of two relations by merging pairs of tuples, one from each relation, into a single tuple? Sorry guys, ikkada spelling mistake. Tuples, it is a tuple. So what operation allows the combining of two relations by merging pair of tuples, one from each relation, into a single tuple? Options are first one union, second one join, third one intersection, fourth one select. So correct answer is join. So a join operation used to combine two relations by merging pair of tuples from each relations into a single tuple. Okay, join is most important operation. Okay, next, a dash is an abstract model that describes how the data are organized and represented. Options are first one database, second one schema, third one instances, fourth one data model. Correct option is data model. So data model is an abstract model that describes how data is organized and represented. Okay, next, which among the following describes what is in database fields? Options are first one field names, second one field definitions, third one field markers, fourth one structures. So correct answer is field names. So field names is described in the database fields. Next, the most popular commercial DBMS is, options are first one Oracle or Oracle, second one MySQL, third one Microsoft Access, fourth one Microsoft SQL Server. Correct answer is Oracle. So Oracle is the commercial and most popular DBMS. Next, which of the following is a set of one or more attributes taken collectively to uniquely identify a record? Your options are first one subkey, second one super key, third one candidate key, fourth one foreign key. So the correct answer is a super key. So super key is nothing but a set of one or more attributes taken collectively to uniquely identify a record. Okay, it is a super key. Next, what consists of a collection of interrelated data and a collection of programs to access the data? Your options are first one database, second one schema, third one DBMS, fourth one DBA. Correct answer is DBMS. So a database management system consists of collection of interrelated data and collection of programs to access that data. Okay, so next, the feature that database allows to access only certain records in a database is, your options are first one tables, second one reports, third one query, fourth one forms. So correct answer is query. So with the help of queries we can get records, particular records from the database. Okay, next. So these are the questions formed by me. I hope it covers all most of the database management system questions. Please do subscribe and follow my channel by clicking the bell icon. You get notifications of my new videos. Please share to your friends and like the video. Thank you for watching.